Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, the daily candle it's finished, and how it finished, guys. Let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you. How it finished the daily candle. Look at it. Is the last 2 days, the one and the one. Let's zoom it. Look here, guys, how it finished the two candles. Look at the one and look at the one. Both of them, what they indicating, guys? The two candles. That red one, the one, and the one, what's it indicating? Both of them, they indicating indecision candle, guys. There is no one here winning. No buyers, no sellers. And that's what also being saying, guys. Being saying tomorrow it's coming very big volatility to the market, guys. You need to be worried about that. And another thing, look at the volume down, guys. All of it, it's very dry. There is no volume. And the good news here, what is it? It's that inside bar, also we said, the one also being followed from the last Friday, guys. We told you we got here an inside bar, that red one. Until now, look how many days it passed. There is no candle came and closing above, and there is no candle came and closing below. And that level we show you before, in the last video you can find it, we show you that level here. It's still holding, guys, as you see it. Every time any candle came here, it's showing a big tail down. Yes or no? So now, what's going to happen, guys? Me personally, I think after that rest like that, because till now it's making 4 down, 2 down, 2 up, sorry. Because if you came here and you change it like that, from candles to lines, what you see in here? How many in the top? 1, 2. How many down? 1, 2. And me, I think now is going to be a going up. That's my view personally. Maybe that, or maybe another story is going to fall down. Because after that, 2 up, 2 down, there is a big moving coming, guys. That's what me I've been telling you. I was going back here to the candles. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, I'm talking to you. Are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin market doing, guys. Me, I call it Bitcoin market because all the cryptocurrencies, they are Bitcoin market. All of them, they follow Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin it will go up, all the rest they will follow. If the Bitcoin it will fall down, all the rest they will fall down. That's how it's working in that market, guys. Everything is too clear. It's not that hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you're going to be subscribed and you're going to benefit from very high analysis, guys. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. So like that, in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see the coming news for tomorrow, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here it is, the coming news for tomorrow, guys. As you see it, is it here? So what we got tomorrow? We got Germany PMI. And that one you need to focus about it if you are a forex trader. But tomorrow everyone is focused about that one, guys. FOMC statement or FOMC interest rate. And at 6:30 we got the press conference, guys. So you need to make a close eye at it because as you see, guys, here now is 3.25 the interest rate. And here the forecasting of them, the Fed is going to add 0.75. And that's what I told you. The Fed is going to add 0.75. There is no doubt in that. But what's going to happen here at the press conference, guys, when the Jerome Powell going to come to talk to us? And today, huge banks in America, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, all of them, they said we're going to see a pivot in inflation, guys. And the Fed. That meant the Fed after tomorrow is the last time he going to add 0.75, guys. After that, he's going to add only 0.5, guys. And that it's indicating the market tomorrow. Maybe we're going to see it reversing from the downtrend also being in it all the time. Another thing here, guys, it's our friend. That one every time as we saw it and every day we need to check it. What it's saying to us, guys, here. Everything is red, guys. Look at it. Nasdaq, the SP, the down, everything is red. And our friend here, it's the VIX. What's it saying? It's still 25.8, guys. That's what I've been telling you. I'm telling you, when the weekly candle finish it, you can buy, but leave a backup. If the market fall down, you buying with a discount more, guys. We are very close, but here the VIX is telling us not yet, because last week we used to be here 30, guys. Now we are 25. Everything is too clear, and I got some news, or maybe not news. There is some news they saying China is going to finish that lockdown policy they follow in China. And if China open, guys, you're going to see a very, very and huge impact to the market, guys. That's why I told us we are very close, guys. And me personally, guys, in the Bitcoin, every Halloween, I know it, there is a change in the market. That's why I told you enter the last day and when the weekly candle finish it, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's going back to see our indicators, guys. What the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, here, as you see it, it's still here. And what did I told you here? I told you the good news. It's breaking for us that level here. That long downtrend also being following. But till now, it's not yet, guys. It need to come to break for us that last high, which is here. Yes or no? It's need that one to come back upward to break for us upper, guys. Till now, us we still here. Maybe from here it's going to fall down again. As was me have been telling you, we need to wait in tomorrow, guys. And I'm going to come back to you, my friend, after European market close. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos for you. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now, let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it, please. Helping us. You know that channel without you, it can growing up. So go now, support us, guys. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. That's the only support we ask you for. So go now, go ahead, go. Pause the video now, Pause the video now. Smash the like button, writing down a comment. I know you're done. Go now, please. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. As we said, guys, here what we said. Here in the 4 hours, what we said here we have. We said we have here a triangle, yes or no? Until now, it's still respecting it very, very, very well. Now, either from here is going to come and to break for us upper here, and that is going to indicate and for us we are going to 25k. Or another scenario is going to come and to break for us lower, and that means we are going to go till the 200 moving average, guys. So what should you do now? Nothing, my friend. Just wait till the break it came, either up or either down. Also here we are in the moment of waiting, guys. Remember that. Also we are in the moment of waiting, guys. Everything is too clear. And even the volume down, it show you that, guys. Down here in the volume, who is spiking here? Is only the reds, guys. You see it or no? And also we are in a downtrend. So should you buy? Not yet. It needs to come to break for you that last high, which is here, guys. It needs to come to break here. If it doesn't break here, also we are not going to enter. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's going to see our indicators, guys. What the same for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, if you remember when we touch here, I told you it's the right time to take profit and there is a short opportunity, guys. But the good news here, what is it? We still here in the control of the bulls, guys. Yes or no? And here what it's showing to you? It's showing to you a divergence, guys, here. Yes or no? Should you buy? Not yet, guys. It needs to come to break for us that downtrend here. Then also we are going to enter long again, guys. Till now also we are here in that level where both of them they are equal. Yes or no? And look here, it enter here. He tried to come out here, but there is no power to leave it above. Then he came back inside, guys, here. But the good news, there is no power to push it down here, guys. Everything is too clear. So here in the 4 hours, guys, in our indicator, it's not yet. Let's see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. It's saying us, we being here at the overbought, and now we're trying to come outside. Yes or no? Did we got any price action? Yes, we got one. Did we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone? Yes, we are. Look. From here, like that, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Our indicator is it at the overbought area. Third things is the price action and the most important, guys. What is it? Look at it. You got a price action. Yes, if it came now and breaking lower here, breaking that wage here down, we will enter short, guys. Remember my word. If it came and breaking here down, I'm talking here about swing trading, not long-term investment. If it came and breaking for us here in the 4 hours, we will enter short, guys. How we drawing that triangle? We just came like that, look with me, then in the top, like that. If it came and breaking now, a candle came and closing below that one, we will enter short. We're taking some profit in the 200 moving average, guys. Everything is too clear? I think maybe it's going to fall down, maybe it's going to return from here above, guys. Everything is too clear here? Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. By the way, I know you don't smash the like button, my friend. Go. No, you. Smashing the like button, please. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's go in now to 30 minutes, guys, to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. What me I told you here in 30 minutes. Here in that zone, what did I told you? I told you we got a wage here. If it's breaking up, we will enter long. Yes or no? That's what me I told in the last video. Did it break? No. And look here at the 200 moving average, how it's respected, guys. Now the 200 moving average here, it's become like a resistance. It doesn't stay like a support how it used to be before. Now what should we do, guys? Here in 30 minutes, we need to look in only for that. Look with me. That's a new pattern, guys, here. Look at it. You see it or no? Now if it came and breaking up here, in 30 minutes, me I'm talking, you enter long, guys. Why? Let me show you our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, what it's saying. Also, we are at the oversold. We got here a very clear divergence like that. As you see it, price action, we got one. Look at it. From that peak, that one to that one. You connecting those dots like that. And down from that peak, that one to that one. And you connecting those dots like that, guys. It give you here a wage. Now, if it came and breaking up and breaking the 200 moving average, you enter long, guys. And what did I told you here about the 200 moving average in the last video, guys? People they being with us, what did I told you about the 200 moving average? If you remember it, write it down in a comment now. Go. I told you, look here, we being trending up. And look here at the 200 moving average, what it telling you. Also, we are resting now. And what did I tell you about the market structure, guys? I told you the market is working like that. A uptrend, a resting level, then after that, either a going up or a breaking down. Yes or no? Now, that level here, that one here, is a rested level. Is the same like that one. Now, we need to wait in either there is a going up or a going down, guys. Our indicator is telling us we are here at the oversold area. Should we buy now? No, my friend. Yes, we got here a divergence like that. All those things, we got it here. But should we buy? No. We need a price action to tell us to buy. Price action, and the only price action which is here in 30 minutes is that one. You need that one to come and to break for you the 200 moving average, guys. Everything is too clear? So, that's it for that video. See you after the European market close. Bye for now, guys.